Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to coordinate ultimate combos with your team in Overwatch. Communicate ultimate status. Constantly update your team on your ultimate status and ask about theirs to plan combos effectively. Plan in spawn room. Discuss potential combos during setup time in the spawn room to establish a strategy before the match begins. Use voice chat. Coordinate using voice chat for a real-time communication, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Target priority. Agree on target priority for your ultimate combo to focus on high-threat enemies or vulnerable targets. Practice timing. Practice ultimate combos in scrims or custom games to refine timing and execution with your team. Combo setup. Set up ultimate combos with your crowd control abilities. Positioning awareness. Position yourself and your team appropriately before executing the combo to maximize its effectiveness. Support ultimates. Coordinate offensive ultimate combo with defensive support ultimates for sustainability. Bait enemy defensive ultimates. Use a fake engagement or a small ultimates to bait out enemy defensive ultimates before executing your main combo. Ultimate countering. Counter enemy ultimates while executing your own to minimize their impact. Cooldown management. Track cooldowns of enemy defensive abilities that could counter your combo. Flank and surprise. Execute ultimate combos from unexpected angles or flanks to catch enemies off guard. High ground advantage. Use high ground positions to initiate ultimate combos for better visibility and coverage. Ultimate combo variation. Have multiple variation of ultimate combos depending on the situation and adapt as the match progresses. Protect heroes initiating the combo from enemy focus fire or crowd control to ensure they can execute. And that's how to coordinate ultimate combos with your team in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.